boy, you stay on my mind, fulfill my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's in it.
One thing with me, I'm an overpacker. I am going to Ocho for one event. I love Soca. I'm going to Ocho for 24 hours, and look at this bag. Filled. Look at the what am I thinking? And I may take the Nutswood Express coming up back. So this and this is not gonna work. So I'm gonna need to take out all of this and put it in a smaller bag, because this is not gonna work. 24 hours I'm going, and look at this bag. Plus I need to bring my alcohol. What is this? What is this? I need to do better.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for so cheap and your flex so deep.
Yeah. You know me, that's there, you know. Whoa, this is
that you do, Karen.
no, it's not a normal thing. Anyways, we are in Ocho at I Love Soca, and we're gonna have a ball. Okay, I'm here with the family. Okay.
17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the fight is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only 'cause you know you poppin'. Yeah, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in a bag and I'm working. Doing not a vibe, put the work in. Cause you know I love them all. Say na 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 na. Say na. You want it wild, yeah, yeah, yeah. You got it, girl, you got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. Around, give you my last name. Got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm tryna make love to. Picking
I got body name brush on the road, Marshall. My DJ is Bloodline Franco.
Get him, Franco.
I want to start nice and easy for the next. Oh, you just look too good.
But your back on the closing up.
Soca, jump it! We wanna change and party. No problem.
It's a vibe. It's a vibe. You know me, I go. I shoot my chicken up. Stop it.
Look how the sun now raising up, and the crowd now waking up. The atmosphere have vibes, and nothing can break it up. The girl them a wine non-stop. We have the drinks them in a my cup. We gonna party all night, all night. 24 parties we hit in a row. Tonight at the very last show. Before we head out on the road, the girl them a release the load. So let me see your hands up, so everybody know your hands up, so.
Ladies say it. Ladies say it.
For the road. We're ready, yeah, we're ready, yeah, we're ready, 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 yeah, we're ready, we're ready, we're ready, we're ready. The girl them a wait all week, figure up on the road like freak. The music. The way you look is just food, and everybody in a real nice mood.
So I am home. Well, meaning back in Kingston. I left Ochi this morning. is a party weekend there, a full-blown party weekend, a party every day keeping down there. It's called the best weekend ever, or the best weekend. So yeah, I went there last year and I only had went to I Love Soca, and then this year I'm only got I Love Soca. But I think probably next year I may do more events. But it was, I Love Soca was so good last night, y'all. Like, I don't know if the highlights, well, the highlights should show that, but listen, I Love Soca is always lit, okay? It is always lit and it's always a vibe. So if, you know, my viewers, y'all don't know I Love Soca, y'all supposed to pick that up from now, because I always go and I always talk about it. So, yeah, it was good. The performances was good as well. It's the whole vibe. Like, one thing with I Love Soca, they're gonna play the songs that I love, the early 2000s soca, early 90s soca. Like, you know, they're gonna play music, soca music from the one here. So the vibe was right last night. Definitely, we left around 3 o'clock before the crowd. So when we were leaving, the party still did go on. So I don't know what time it finished, maybe 3 o'clock or 4, and the time is supposed to finish like at what, 2. So of course, anytime. By the way, you see with I Love Soca, they're gonna extend the time, give you an extra hour. If on the flight it says 2 o'clock, it's gonna finish at 3 o'clock, 3:30. Yeah, but yeah, it was very good. So for all my viewers, if y'all wanna know about I Love Soca, then I'm in the gas station getting some gas. Yeah, so if you guys like want to know about I Love Soca, oh, just gonna see how much money I got. I need to go to the ATM right now. I can't buy 2,000. I have enough money for dinner. Afternoon, can I get 2,090 please? It's up on the other side. Yeah, so what would I say? I should give it a 19. Yeah. So yeah, so I definitely, like, if you guys are coming to Jamaica, for my viewers who are overseas, because I know when I check like my statics and stuff, I do have like a lot of overseas viewers. So if y'all, you know, coming to Jamaica, coming to Kingston or whatever, like, you guys need to remember the name of the events that I tell you guys about and the ones that I recommend. So yeah, I Love Soca is definitely a must to go. And for this entire weekend, it's, you know, it's a holiday. It's a long weekend here in Jamaica for like the country. So Monday is a holiday, so you know everybody is out and about in partying and all of them stuff there. So kudos to everybody who is off on Monday. I'll be working, but you know, that's normal. Whew, I think I should have had more than 2,000. But I buy gas again on Tuesday, so should be fine. But yeah, the party was good, and then now I am heading to Sushi, a dinner date with my friend Soch. Homegirl wants sushi. So yeah, we're just gonna have a dinner date today. We're heading to Sora. Yeah, Sora, the restaurant name. Thanks. Alright, over here, Mr. Thanks. Anyways, yeah, so we're gonna have just going to a sushi date with my friend. It's called Sora Cuisine or Sora Japanese Cuisine. I don't remember, but yeah. Anyways, let's hurry. By the way, I haven't eaten anything for morning. Like, I only had like half a bottle of soda and a Cheez-It snack. That's the only thing I had from morning. So, raw. Need some food in my system. Why are you beeping me? Alright, but we outside to this restaurant. I am so tired, by the way. Really tired. Oh, by the way, tomorrow. Oh, did I tell you guys a holiday weekend here in Jamaica? Yeah, it's holiday weekend, so everybody is off tomorrow, Monday, you know, our Independence weekend and all of that. So yeah, shout out to us. Long holiday for Jamaica. So everybody, there's a, by the way, the Ocho, there are people still in Ocho because there's other parties keeping. The weekend is called the best weekend ever, so they have like different parties on different days for the entire holiday week. So I definitely recommend, you know, to go to that event. And I think that's, it cannot be compared to Negro Dream Weekend that I went to last week, because it's just, you know, two different waves, you know, two different type of events, and you know, yeah, I want to say something but I'm not gonna say. But anyways, but yeah, I mean, Negro Dream Weekend that I went to, it was good. All I know is I want to go back to Negril soon, because the water day, that water and sunset, I'm gonna have to see that again. I need to be in that type of calming, relaxing environment. Yeah, and then the best weekend ever known, like I said, they like have different, I think it's like 6 parties, yeah, probably around 6 parties for the weekend. And you know, it's I would definitely, I'm gonna more likely, you know, I'm gonna go next year, and then I'll probably just stay for more events, just stay for the entire weekend. It just make it like a more fun mini trip. But truly, it wasn't bad. It was pretty good. It was definitely pretty good, the event.
You had my love and I gave you all my trust, but you come funny. And if somehow you knew that your love would be untrue, what you got to me and call me baby. Now if I give you me,
The last time you came to order my food there? Your food special, girl. Food is
Yeah, one
special.
definitely not gonna work.
if I get trust in you, and I refuse to let you play me for a fool. Yeah, now we are believe
Alright, we are heading to the supermarket on a lovely Sunday morning. I need to grab some stuff for dinner. We're having stew peas today, and we have the pigtail, but not a chicken foot, not a rice, not like literally nothing. So I'm just gonna pick up what I need just for today, and then later down in the week I'll just do my regular monthly shopping. Dinner last night with my homegirl was good. I didn't want to order sushi. She ordered sushi, which was so bomb. Loved it. I got the teriyaki chicken with rice. I don't know where we even got, but I ordered that for, because it wasn't giving. Well, we all know teriyaki chicken is like sweet and all them. So I don't know why I even ordered that in the first place. Probably should have just gotten the salmon or sushi. But it was alright. It's like a 2 out of 5 for me. Rice, good. But the chicken, you know, it's not my type of thing. I don't know why I ordered it. And when they just changed my mind and said, sushi, we got order before we reach there, and we got order something else. Rice, which actually even though sushi is rice, I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, at least it's small quantities. But, yeah, but, I mean, you know, it was still good, nice, you know, little rooftop restaurant. Loved it. It's very nice there. It's peaceful, nice. So we're just gonna head to the supermarket now to grab some 1, 2, and then tonight, I think I told you guys that I have an event to go to, so I think I should go around that about 6, me and my cousins, so I'll catch you guys there later. And by the way, I've started rewatching Game of Thrones. Remember I told you guys that TikTok rewatch what homegirl name with the president show and I can't remember, but yeah, I was rewatching a series. I still me not finished watch that yet, and then I'm gonna take up Game of Thrones now. So I think a couple nights back I started rewatching Game of Thrones from the beginning, season 1. I only reach episode 3 now. So today I'm gonna do that, continue to watch that. I do have a video to edit. I have Dream Weekend Negro video for edit today. So by the time I see that video here, y'all would be seeing Dream Weekend videos. So I need to edit that. I need to edit this vlog now. Like there's just so much I need to do. So I'm gonna just try to finish that today before 5 o'clock, because I should be leaving around 6 o'clock for the event. So I have 2 videos. Well, I have the Dream Weekend video to finish for today, so that should be sufficient for me to finish. It's now 12:30 thereabout, so supermarket is gonna take me like around 40 minutes to do that and come back to home. Mommy a cook, so as we reach up we can just start, you know, edit the stuff. Then my car needs to be washed. Like it's terrible. It look like the rain gonna fall. I mean, no, it really want to wash. Come here, gotta be. Listen, I gotta do one video. I'm showing how terrible the car is. It is filthy. A woman's car should not look like this. It's filthy as hell. So yeah, we have bottles, water bottles, like papers, like I feel kind of embarrassed. I'm still gonna show you. I'm showing the outside, not the inside. And by the way, we need to get a vacuum, because when you have a vacuum, inside wouldn't look like this. Outside would have still look the way it is now, because I ain't washing my car myself. That's what a car wash is for, okay? Period. But on the inside, I need to be. It needs to be kept clean. I can do better, okay? I can do better. Yo, if you don't want to hear souls on the radio on a Sunday, Fame 95 point whatever 1050. Fame is the go-to if you want to hear some souls on the Sunday. Always a vibe. Yo, I didn't realize that I have so much cash on me. Good thing me never stop at the supermarket. Come just withdraw excessive money that I don't need. And tomorrow is a holiday. I need to go to the bank to pick up my new credit card. Woohoo! So by the way, y'all, I got scammed. Legit got scammed the holiday. I just did my work one day and I just heard 2 messages. A first message popped in, bam, charge to this, bam, charge to that. I'm like, wait, what the hell? And it says credit card, because you know the bank sets up alerts. So once your card, debit or credit is used, I set it up that way to get an email. Rotted. But just the 2 charge coming back to back. Like I was like, what? Yo, I instantly called the bank and say, yo, shut this is down, it's not me, like blah 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 blah. So that's the first that has ever happened to me where I get scammed using my credit card. So now I don't have any credit card. Well, they called me last week in the week to come and pick it up. So I'm gonna try to pick it up on Tuesday, because tomorrow is a holiday and I need to just check up. Somebody that works at the bank told me, say, ensure that I call frequently and check up, and anybody who I speak with, make a note of it, and yeah, be on their necks, because I ain't gonna pay back that amount of money when the people them charge me. Like, when I see the shit, I'm like, no, I don't prepare outside. And like my credit card did like at 0.00 balance, you know? And the people them charge up. These scammers out here, like, don't mess with me, okay? Do not. Shit. Okay, I have enough money. Yes, so for the supermarket. Yo, that was a first for me, and hopefully that shit doesn't happen to me again, because these people. Oh, I left my supermarket bag. Yo, I am not buying another goddamn bag. How could I forget? It was right there in front of me. I'm gonna check the bag, the back, if not have any. God damn, yo. Oh yay, I have one. I have two. I'll go on some. I have two bags in the back. Anyways, let's go inside. Got some mac and cheese. It is hot. Hot. Like with 7 capital H. Oh my god. I'm gonna put on about them glass here because I don't want to blind because the sun is crazy. It was my neighbor's nephew's birthday the other day and I promised him I would buy him KFC. So a good thing I remember. So I'm gonna get the KFC, then I have to head to my shipping company to pick up some packages. I think they said they're open today on a Sunday, I guess because of the whole holiday shit. Ooh, police are right, so yeah, because of the whole holiday thing. So KFC, get some packages. No, sir. It's already dirty. It's already dirty. No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Osh. Not today. I feel like moving on my nose. Hush. So I just go to KFC now and get him some chicken. You know, the supermarket and my bra pull at the back, so y'all gonna see this. The bra strap keeps slipping down because the thing at the back ain't closed. I was trying to lock it back in the supermarket, but that shit wasn't working. Grandma, urban, come onto the road, please. Can't walk on a green light, bro. Karaoke now? Oh my god. I wonder if they still have karaoke. I need to go to karaoke before school starts. I don't remember when I choose my courses for which day. So I think it's Mondays. I have 2 classes on a Monday and I think I have a class on a Thursday as well. So I'm doing 3 courses for what are some of they call for September. Watch KFC line. It's early, man. It's not that long. I'm just exaggerating. It's like what, 3 cars, 3 cores. But okay, should be all right. I took up 16 items, and those 16 items is almost $5,000. Like, damn. Yo, the cornbread, the cornbread was always less than $100. Now it's gone up to $104. Oh my word. Listen, it is expensive, okay? I know my pretzels should be like around $1,000. Yeah, 900 and some. It is so expensive. She is $5,000. And then I will go to the Jamaica supermarket again. Anyway. Morning.
Hello.
Hi, can I have a 3-piece combo?
Huh?
3-piece combo.
Original spicy barbecue.
All of them barbecue. Can I get leg and but no breast.
Pepsi or grape. We don't have any ice wine drink here, but it should be cold.
Okay, yeah, Pepsi's fine. And can I get the extra fries, please?
Small. 15 kg.
Thanks. Come on, Barbie. Let's go, Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl in a Barbie world. Barbie this, Barbie that. A Barbie world. I'm saying Bobby. Barbie movie? I mean, I ain't going nowhere to watch that shit. No offense to anybody who did it, but the type of shows that I go to watch at the movie theater is like action, scary movie, like movies that interest me, and the Barbie thing does not interest me, so I'll watch it at home. I saw like a bad scary movie, the trailer, like, whoo, I need to check when it's coming to carry because I want to watch that. That scary movie, the trailer made me a little bit nervous, and I like that, so that means it should be good. Morning. I'm gonna buy the extra fries for my niece, so I feel like I want tea for 2. Come on, just the right at the window, smell it. So I got a tea for 2, just 2, maybe 3. Can't wait. Let me turn on this AC. I cannot wait to get home. So I collected all my 6 packages. Okay. Whew. Time to go home. Oh, I forgot to show you guys how my car looks, how filthy it is. So, all at that. Top. Look at the top of it. Filthy. Look at the mirrors. Look at the mirror. Look at the back mirror. Ew. Player. This is going straight to the car wash right now. Look at the mat. Filthy. Heading to the car wash right now, so I can go to a clean car to the people at the event tonight. Yeah. Whew. Okay. Oh. Alright, y'all, so I am ready to head to this party. I am so hot. Oh, and I bought my car to the car wash today, so my car is all clean. Amen. Anyways, when I get to the event, I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. No makeup, just brows and baby hairs. Yeah, I'm wearing a dress and cute little sneakers. So yeah, that is the vibe for the day. The party I told you guys is Afro Soca Jam, and you know, they play those type of genre music. So yeah, I am fit, I'm dressed for the event. Soca Jam, yeah, sneakers and a dress, kind of like a hippie-ish vibe. All right, link y'all when I get there.
What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though?
In a world where nothing is certain,
addicted to my wine. She said, are you gonna hurt me? Am I a statistic?
In a rain, I make you feel high like on a plane. She said, I saw the love, the act, taste like sweet and not. Hey girl, what this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your back.
Once again, we'll sing along. If you're from Jamaica, sing with me.
Hey girl, what this make you feel like though? Girl. Who you are wrong with? On no game. Anytime you're ready, girl. On the name. The place make me fly. In a rain, I make you feel high like on a plane. She said, I saw the love, the act. Taste fine, sweet, and I touch this fat. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, go to the chat. Come wine till you broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Okay, broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Know you got the glue.